I'm Milton, son of a carpenter Mary. That's me. That's my changing eyes. Eyes changing from brown to blue. Changing them for the Christ complex. Change millennia in the making. Millennia in the making. This parable, this video is set back in July 2014. And I was in the hospital. Sins of mankind wounds. Maybe you've seen them. Might even see them on this DVD. Yeah, Spring Break 2014 was particularly rough. I'm the son of a carpenter and Mary Melton. Ended up in the hospital. Still in the convalescent hospital, looking to move out soon. But back then, July 2014, was in the Good Samaritan Hospital, and called her Sherry, my little stormtrooper nurse, a wound nurse, changed the dressing on my wounds. And she came in and her visor was all fogged up. Yeah, that's why I called her a little stormtrooper. Had that visor on when she did her nursing stuff. And she took it off and kind of wiped the mist away and said, "Hi, Mr. Brady." And, I kind of turned. I was very weak. Just lost 60 pounds. Yeah, those wounds. And I started to turn. She said, "Oh, no. I already got the photos of the wounds for the day." She said, "This is going to help with the pain." And she had a hypodermic needle in her hand and went to the IV I had there. And oh yeah, morphine. And it did ease up, a little bit. Didn't take it away, but only hot blondes can take away the sins of mankind, wounds and pain. But I kind of drifted off and thought back. Nice day back in Louisiana, motel parking lot. And it's cold in the winter in Louisiana, really hot in the summer, rains a lot, but you don't get much snow. Happened we got a little bit of snow. And these four pale girls I had met were out in the parking lot building a snowman. They called it a pokeman. Had a really tall head. See a helicopter, do a Semper Fi check, 424-229-4140. Make a video of your hijack call to me. I'm looking forward to moving, so I'm not going to give you the address. 845 South Burlington Avenue, Los Angeles, California, 90057. 213-381-5555 is the number a lot of folks have called the past year and 5 months and not gotten me, but made a video very obvious over the top religious censorship in America. See that helicopter? Pick up a $50, $100 digital camera. Call my number, 424-229-4140. Give you any new number I get, any new address to certify and mail to. As well, when I get it, look for it on these Semper Fi DVDs, How I Reach the World. Despite those folks censoring your phone, and you don't know when else they will be stopping your phone from working. Anyway, make those video hijack calls and mail, and come see me when you see someone other than me and my changing eyes right here. You have that big eye I showed you in the big picture there. When you see someone other than me and my changing eyes, say we start building the Christ complex. That's a religious censorship you see when you call 424-229-4140. Can't tell me what you believe. Can't ask what I mean by the Christ complex. It's religious censorship that should not be in America or anywhere. Make a video of your hijack calls and mail, pass them along to Semper Fi DVDs. Tell other Americans to do the same. And yeah, those Mormon missionaries or politicians knock on your door. or you see them out in public, demonstrate that religious censorship to them. Make a video of your phone not working, and ask them what do you think about that. Get their reactions for your Semper Fi DVDs. Back to that morphine, and thinking back to Louisiana. Those 4 girls building that snowman and stomping around in that snow. I still hear that stomp, stomp, stomp. A reassuring, a good memory, a good feeling. I'm John Milton Brady, son of a carpenter and married. Call that number, see censorship, and yeah, when you see those helicopters, especially if you're at spring break or something, remember, you can take part in building those Christ complexes, but you got to show everyone else. You can walk through the wolves among the sheep and be right here. Walk up to me, all attractive girls, blonde, near blondes, from LA campuses or campuses worldwide. Tell me you want to be a part of the Christ complex. Just tell me what you believe. Tell me what you think about my son, Carpenter and Mary videos, my imagery. Then yeah, let me take your photo. Let me put you right here.